give us salvation and blessing. Thanks to Allah because we all still given help favor to be here. Do not forget salawat and greeting for our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who taught their people godness. And let us introduce ourselves. My name is Devran.
My name is Chandika. My name is Alicia. We are from group 3. We will make donuts. Enjoy watching!
Donuts are fruit snacks made from a mixture of wheat flour, granulated sugar, egg yolks, bread yeast, and butter. The most common donuts are rib-shaped with a hole in the middle, usually with sprinkle or powdered sugar. Meanwhile, round-shaped donuts are filled with sweet fillings such as jam, jelly, cream, chocolate, and custard. Donut first appeared in Arabia in the 7th century. At that time, they made a cake called awama or Greek, which was made from a mixture of flour, water, yeast, and spices, which was then fried in oil. This cake was then introduced to Europeans by Arab trade. In the 15th century, donuts began to appear in Europe and changed into a shape more similar to modern donuts. In the Netherlands, they make a cake called oliekoeks, which was made from a dough of wheat flour, egg, yeast, and spices. Oliekoeks were then brought to the United States by Dutch immigrants in the 18th and 19th centuries.
In the United States, donuts became popular in the 19 and 20 country. A woman named Hanson Gregory is said to have created a hole in the middle of a donut in 1847. According to the story, she wanted to have a donut that was perfectly cooked on the inside and evenly distributed the middle. So, she used a bottle cap to cut the middle of the dough before frying. This is what inspired the modern donut shape, which has a hole in the middle.
The origin of the word donut comes from the English word donut. The word donut itself has a slightly complicated origin. The word donut comes from the word dough, which means dough or flour that has not been baked or fried, and the word nut, which at the time could also refer to food in small forms, such as cakes. So donut can literally interpret as little dough. In general, the word donut is shortened to donut by many people and has become more common usage.
Donut nutrition: sugar 1058 grams, sodium 257 milligrams, 11% of the daily RDA, 0.7 grams of fiber, 3% of the daily RDA, 17 milligrams of cholesterol, 6% of the daily RDA, 0.1 milligrams of vitamin C, 0% of the daily RDA. Vitamin A 18 micrograms equals to percent of daily RDA. Potassium 60 milligrams equals 1% of daily RDA. Iron 0.92 milligrams equals 5% of daily RDA. Calcium 21 milligrams equals 2% of daily RDA. Assalamualaikum Kak, kami dari SMP 45 izin wawancara, apakah boleh? What ingredients can make donut dough rise?
Untuk bahan yang bisa membuat adonan donat mengembang itu ada di ragi. Kalau misalkan takaran raginya tuh sama atau sepadan sama adonan lain, itu bakal bikin donat ngembang dengan bagus. Begitu juga dengan waktunya yang pas.
Who was the first person to discover the recipe of making donuts?
Kalau untuk penemunya itu, kalau menurut sejarah, donat itu ditemukan di Amerika oleh orang Belanda di tahun 1870-an. Tapi kalau untuk di Indonesia kayaknya kurang tahu juga ya. Itu aja sih yang tahu.
When can you use donut dough after letting it sit for a while?
Donat bagusnya kalau donat tuh didiemin maksimalnya dalam waktu 1,5 jam. Kalau lebih dari itu nantinya adonan donat bakal terlalu keras, atau kalau misalkan kurang dari 30 menit nantinya bakal terlalu lembek juga.
Why does donut dough expand after being left out for a while?
Adonan donat sendiri kan karena mengandung ragi itu kayak bahan pengembang buat adonan makanan. Jadi kalau misalkan pakai ragi, meskipun bukan buat donat, pasti bakalan ngembang gitu.
Where can we put donut dough that has been mixed with yeast?
Untuk meletakkan adonannya sendiri itu bisa di suhu ruang dengan keadaan tempat yang tertutup, kayak misalkan di dalam baskom gitu, terus baskomnya ditutup.
How to avoid failure to rise donut dough?
Untuk menghindari gagalnya mengembang donat, ya semaksimal mungkin harus dengan waktu yang pas, jadi nggak terlalu lama, nggak terlalu sebentar juga. Terus kalau bisa setelah didiemin 1,5 jam tuh didiemin lagi biar kena udara juga gitu.
Okay, thank you.
Tools, large container, tablespoon, teaspoon, plastic wrap, slip.
Spatula, gloves, baking pan, Teflon, colander, and plate.
Ingredients: 1 egg, 130 ml of full cream milk,
0.5 teaspoon of instant yeast, 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 250 grams of wheat flour, 1 tablespoon of margarine, 1 teaspoon of salt.
First of all, prepare tools and materials. Then break 2 eggs into a bowl and beat. Then pour in 10 tablespoons of full cream. After that, put half tablespoon of yeast. Add 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar.
After mixing thoroughly, cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let it sit until there is foam.
After it forms, stir for a while. Then add 250 grams of wet flour. And also 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, then sieve.
Stir using a spatula until the flour is mixed in. Once the dough is smooth, cover the dough using plastic wrap.
Then the donut dough and make a hole in the middle.
After the oil over low heat.
Next, put the donut in the frying pan in low heat until the golden brown.
The reason for the success of donuts, fermentation temperature, and oxygen content.
The reason why donuts fail because inactive yeast and mostly flour.